ഇപ്പോൾ വേദിയിൽ Krishnaprabha S. Naik and Gopika Ji Mallaya from TDHS Mattancherry, Kochi.
Good evening, everybody. Respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. We are from TD High School, Mattancherry. I am Krishnaprabha S. Naik, studying in 10th standard. She is Gopika Ji Mallaya, studying in 10th standard. We all know that mathematics is definitely a treasure that the Almighty purposefully used to create the whole universe. What to say, but only to praise Him, to have an opportunity to enjoy this beautiful world around us. We can observe how accurately the God created each and everything in this world. For that reason, God Himself is the first mathematician. Among the various branches of the mathematics, geometry is the most interesting one. As we look around us, we can see so many shapes such as triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, circles, etc. From this list, triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, etc. are closed figures having straight edges. These are generally called as polygons. In our study, we learn only about regular polygons. Besides those, there are irregular and concave polygons. Regular polygons are convex polygons. The construction and calculation of area and perimeter of regular polygons are so simple and fascinating as their names. For that reason, we decided to do a study project on regular polygons. The topic of our project is circle, the ultimate goal of polygons. Here we want to show you a scientific magic of approximation of polygons to a circle. In this magic, we use only two mirrors which are joined together and a scale. In this magic, we can see that as the number of sets of polygon increases to infinity, it approaches to a circle. The main objectives of our project are to know how to construct regular polygons, the incircle and circumcircle using ruler and compass. To know whether as the number of sets of polygon increases to infinity, it turns to a circle or not. To know how to calculate the areas and perimeter of the regular polygon, circumcircle and incircle, and to compare them. To do this project, we mainly used internet and library books. We discussed with teachers and friends. We constructed regular polygons, the incircle and circumcircle using ruler and compass. We calculated the areas and perimeter of regular polygons, circumcircle and incircle, and compared them. We constructed regular polygons of large number of sides using the software GeoGebra. We know how to construct regular equilateral triangle, square, regular hexagon using ruler and compass. Here we had an interesting experience of constructing regular pentagon, regular heptagon, and bisecting the central angle of a regular polygon to construct regular polygons of large number of sides such as regular octagon, regular decagon, regular dodecagon, etc. We found out that to construct a regular nonagon, we had to trisect the central angle of an equilateral triangle. But we found that it is impossible to trisect an angle using ruler and compass. So we cannot construct a regular nonagon using ruler and compass. We constructed regular polygons of large number of sides such as 100-sided, 200-sided, etc. using the software GeoGebra. When we look at this figure at first, we can see that the regular polygons and the circumcircle are one. But when we zoom this figure, we can clearly see the edges of the regular polygons. We calculated the area of the regular polygon using the formula NSR, whereas N is number of sides, S is one side, and R is in radius. We calculated the area of the circumcircle and incircle using the formula pi r squared, whereas R is the radius. We converted the area side of regular polygon in radius and circumradius into 5 cm is equal to 1 unit scale. Using this, we made a table. In this table, we can see that the area of the regular polygon and the area of the incircle approaches to the area of the circumcircle, but it do not becomes the area of the circumcircle. The inradius approaches to the circumradius. The length of side of regular polygon decreases as the number of sides of regular polygon increases. Using this table, we made a graph. We can see all these facts in this graph. We calculated the perimeter of the regular polygon using the formula ns, whereas n is number of sides and s is one side. We calculated the perimeter of the circumcircle and incircle using the formula 2 pi r, whereas r is the radius. We converted these perimeters into 5 cm is equal to 1 unit scale. Using this, we made a table. In this table, we can see that the perimeter of the regular polygon and the perimeter of the incircle approaches to the perimeter of the circumcircle, but it do not becomes the perimeter of the circumcircle. Using this table, we made a graph. We can see all these facts in this graph. From this project, we studied the names of different types of polygons and studied how to construct regular polygons, the incircle and circumcircle using ruler and compass. Using the software GeoGebra, we understood that as the number of sides of polygon increases to infinity, it only approaches to a circle. It do not becomes the circle. While we were doing this project, we found out the miraculous and fascinating beauty in it, such as spectrum of polygons and flower of life. When we construct regular polygons, the incircle and circumcircle in one figure, we can enjoy the miraculous and fascinating beauty in it. Thus, this project led us to an imaginary world of mathematics and provided us enthusiasm and confidence to inquire the hidden facts in this queen of science that are yet to be uncovered. We thank the Kerala Ganitha Shaastra Parishad who helped us to present this project. Thank you.